Imagine a symphony of color, exploding in rhythm with each beat of a drum. Vibrant hues meet the cadence of sound, creating a visual spectacle as unique as a fingerprint. Picture a drummer, their sticks poised for action, striking down on a canvas of color. Each hit, a splash of creativity, each stroke, a burst of life. It's a performance where art meets rhythm, a live painting brought to life through the power of percussion. The drum echoes, the color dances. Together they create an orchestra of sight and sound. This isn't just a drum solo, it's a color solo. This is where music meets art, where rhythm meets color. Here we don't just paint pictures, we paint experiences. Trusted painters, for when you want more than just a lick of paint. Moving from the stage to the backstage, we dive into the hows of this magical spectacle. How does each drum beat result in a unique, vibrant splash of color? The secret lies in our unique paint formula, crafted for maximum visual impact. Each drum is carefully prepped with a layer of this special paint, ready to explode in a symphony of color at the drummer's touch. The paint, a silent participant, waits for its cue. And as soon as the drumstick strikes, it leaps into action, creating a burst of color that dances to the rhythm. It's a backstage process, unseen but vital, making each performance a visual feast. With trusted painters, we ensure that the magic happens every time, on every beat.